The reason your child reads at a painfully slow pace is not necessarily because they aren't trying hard enough, but could be from verbal pressure, like tapping the page and telling them to hurry up, which actually makes the problem worse. I'm Teacher Dan, creator of Spell Blaster, and here is what we need to do. We have to remove that verbal pressure and switch to a physical pacing tool instead. When you verbally pressure a child to speed up, their anxiety spikes. And when their anxiety spikes, they stop actually looking at the letters and start wildly guessing just to get the session over with. You don't want them to guess. You want them to actually process the words faster. To do that, you need a pacing tool. A pacing tool forces their eyes to move forward at a specific speed without you ever having to say a single word. The easiest pacing tool you can use at home is just a blank index card. But instead of putting the index card under the line they are reading, put it just above the line. As they read, slowly pull the index card down, covering up the words they just finished reading. The trick is to pull the card down just a tiny bit faster than their natural reading speed. Because the words are disappearing behind the card, their eyes are forced to keep moving forward. It still creates a sense of urgency, but it's a silent, visual urgency instead of stressful verbal pressure. It trains their brain to process the letters faster without triggering that anxious guessing habit. Over time, you can pull the card down faster and faster as their reading speed naturally improves. But using an index card does require you to sit there and carefully manage their speed every single night. If you want a pacing tool that does all of the work for you, you need to change the format. Wow! This is why I created Spell Blaster. What a surprise! It's an action-packed arcade game that acts as the ultimate pacing tool. Instead of an index card covering up words, they have to blast aliens to spell the words before the aliens crash into their ship. The game naturally and continuously speeds up the longer they play. It forces them to process letters and build words faster and faster. But because it is a video game, there is no anxiety, other than actually trying to survive. They just think they are playing a fast-paced game, but their brain is getting an intense speed drill. So if you want your child to read faster, stop telling them to hurry up and start using a pacing tool to train their eyes. And if you want a top-secret weapon that disguises that pacing tool as an awesome, cool, and incredibly fun video game, you can check out Spell Blaster at the link below.